wanting it soon and bad. Thoughts come to me and fade away, gusting dreams I've always had. I'll take it apart.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1980 Trans Am. This does have the 4.9, I guess that'd be a 301 under the hood. Be taking her down the road. Gonna point out any flaws running and driving wise, and we're gonna be doing a bunch of test drives today, so hope y'all enjoy this video and keep watching. Let's go. All right, guys, if you haven't joined us before, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every day. Got a website called maplemotors.com. You can check out that and get detailed pictures, financing, shipping information. But right now, we're going for a ride. Y'all ready? Checking out the interior before we take off. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Looking around the dash. Nice and clean. Door panel's in great shape. Interior's been redone on this one. Console's nice and clean as well. Go ahead and start her up. Starts up nice and easy. Oil pressure comes up. Engine temp's coming up as well. Showing 47,000 miles on the dash. Gas gauge was moving around when I was moving the car around. I do believe it works. Battery gauge is working. Tach's working on the dash. Wipers working. Let's see. Blower motor. I can hear the blower motor kicking on, but I'm not feeling anything really. So it may need a replacement on that part. Horn. It's pushing in, spring's working, but there's no beeping, so you'll have to add a horn to this car. All right, let's take off down the road. Getting ready to take off here, guys. Anything that I see that may be wrong with this car, I will let you know. The tilt is working on the dash there. Power steering feels pretty smooth. Straight down the road, not pulling to the left or right. Steering's nice and tight. Kick down's not hooked up. Suspension's not too bad on this one. I can hear the windows inside the doors vibrating. That's what that rattling noise is. Check some more of these gauges here. It's gonna need a speedo cable. This speedometer is actually not working at all right now. I can hear the turn signals, but they're not popping up right here on the dash. It may need some bulbs. Just checking both sides. They're both similar. I wonder what they've done to this road here. I'm about to change my route. I'm gonna get some outside shots, walking around the car, driving past the cameras. If you want to see what I'm using, look below in the description. Got GoPro 7s, and they've done very well. I'm gonna step out of here and get some of these shots. Let's go ahead and take off. Engine temperature's right at 180. Oil pressure's around 60. Looks like all our gauges are still working except for the speedometer. We got the lane closed up here, so we should have good access to this road today. Going a different route, I figured out. On that road with a little speed bump in it. This car won't be affected very much, but you can listen for rattles. You will hear a little bit of a rattle from the window coming from the door over here. The pump's right there, the guy. Not too bad. So far so good. This car runs and drives great. Not a whole lot needed to be done on this one. We'll go ahead and pull in the lot here, go ahead and jump on some other cars, get some more videos done today. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. Check out maplemotors.com for available vehicles. All right, guys, Appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate y'all watching. Definitely hit subscribe. I post videos like this every day. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures of every car in all of our inventory. Getting ready to update the website today with a bunch of new cars, so be looking for that. A walk around of the lot is done every Monday. All right, guys, I got some more to get to this week, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock them out. I appreciate you watching. Thanks again.